So, if you are wondering what happened to the watch and earn option that is appearing here on TikTok and why you can see it, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, typically, this promotion or a program that TikTok has is a way for you to start earning via the app itself. So, you could go and use or get or earn coins via this way. So, typically, you should see the click for rewards option here, and basically that's how you usually access it. But just in case if you don't access this one or you don't see it in your screen, well, what you need to do is you want to go and just change a few things in your account. So first things first, let's go and click on the profile at the bottom right of your screen. Click on OK here, or don't allow dependence on you. But what you need to do is you want to go and click on the three bar icon you see at the top right of your screen, and in here let's go ahead and choose settings and privacy. Let's go to account. And under account, let's go ahead and click on the option here for switch to personal or business account. So it depends on what you're using right now. So if you have a business account, you may not get this feature here. So switch to a personal account and see if that actually help. But again, it depends on your region. Some allows it, some not. So you could go and try switching your account and see if that actually helps. Now, also, you may want to make sure that your account is actually public. In some cases, if you are or if you have a private account, the earn option or watch and earn option may not appear. So again, make sure you're not private. So turn off the private option or private account option you see here and see if that helps. Now, another thing that you could try doing here is to clear your cache or temporary files that is stored in the app itself. Now, to do that, you want to look for TikTok. Press and hold on it until you see this pop up here. Click on the eye icon next to the trash can icon here. And from here, click on clear data. That you see at the bottom right of the screen. Click on clear cache. Click on OK. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up TikTok and see if that helps. Now, the final thing that you could try doing here is to basically update the app. So click on Google Play Store, open up Google Play Store, look for TikTok, and if you do see any update, go ahead and just click on update, wait for a while, and see if that helps. Now, sometimes if you don't have the latest version, that could also affect why you're not seeing it. And one more thing to take note here, the watch and earn option may be gone in your region. So the watch and earn is not available in all regions. It depends on where you are, where you're accessing TikTok, and if the program is available in your region. Now, if you don't see it, like for example, you could go and ask your friends to also check if the watch and earn is also available in their phone. If they don't have that as well, it means that the program itself is not available in your region. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.